Have you ever had that problem where you have a box full of empty CO2 canisters that you kept thinking that you could turn them into something useful someday, but you never did? Hi, I'm Snow. This is how to turn an empty 12-gram CO2 cartridge into a key fob. For this project, you will need some drill bits, a keyring, an electric drill, an empty CO2 cartridge, and a hammer. If you have them, a Sharpie, some spray paint, a metal brush, and a vise will be helpful. To begin, put your cartridge in a vise, and starting with a 7/64 inch drill bit, drill into the tip of the CO2 cartridge at a 45-degree angle. Work your way up one size at a time to about an 11/16, and then use a hammer to get rid of the metal shards. Remove the branding with a wire brush, and then put a keyring in it, and you're done. If you want a little extra style, you can paint it, but remember that the paint will wear off fairly quickly as it will be in contact with your keys. I recommend black paint. When it wears off, it'll look the best, but you can use any color you want. First, sand it, and then apply the paint in multiple thin coats. Make sure to put the keyring in before you paint, otherwise the paint will be damaged. Also, cover the ring itself in tape so it doesn't get colored by the paint. And that's it. You now have a key fob made out of a CO2 cartridge to brag to all your friends about. Enjoy!